listen, if you need design services, if you want to rebrand, if you have a new brand, if you want to stand out in this very, very crowded space, I have something to tell you. And my photo over there has something to tell you. So two people are telling you right now that if you are in the hunt for design services, top quality, some of the best you'll ever see in the world, I highly recommend Ems and her team to be your go-to person, your go-to agency. They work really, really well, and I just wanted to commend her first of all for her professionalism. M will always, always, always respond fast. Like, I don't even believe it, like how fast she gets back to me. Sometimes I would be the one who takes longer to respond, but that's but she's understanding of that. So she's very professional and really takes the time to understand the things about your business. So unlike other people, you might be thinking right now, I don't know what stage you're in this journey of looking for a designer, looking for some help over there if you're considering to hire M. But I just want to throw this out there. Most designers, they would just, you pay them. The reason why they're cheap or the reason why you can get them for a certain amount is because you pay them, they give you a design, that's it. And that really won't help you if you want to create an iconic brand, if you want to help to make branding your entire business brand as an actual asset to your business and not just a fancy logo like what others think of branding, right? So if that's not what you want, if you want to take this seriously, then go to an actual expert who will treat you like she's a doctor. So she'll ask down to the smallest details and make sure that you have perfectly, if there's perfectly conveyed all that it is that is within what you're feeling, what you're thinking, and then you pass it to her, and then she tells you what she thinks. Their team works on everything, and then boom, right? Like that's when the magic happens. So she works with you, and make sure that she has her team and herself has a great understanding of what you want to happen, and then they put that into life. Not just what you want, as a client, not just what you want, but also with their expertise. They know what they're doing. So that's kind of how she worked with me. She helped me with a few projects of mine, and it's been great. It's been great. I really have nothing. I have all the best words. If I could come up with all the good words, let me ask if my partner over there can give in a few words. But seriously, she's great. I love the work, and if you're considering, hiring her, don't even think about it. Just do it. You definitely won't regret it. So that's all. M, more power to you and your team. I hope you guys grow even more. And I'm excited to work with you on more projects in the near future. So thank you.